Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain how to answer this question number 2 of type 2. So a circular cone has a height of 17 and a slant height of 21. Okay, so in this paper there are already answers, but I'll show you how to get these answers. Okay, so let's start with the volume. I think we have to make a diagram first for the cone. So let's have the cone to be oriented this way. Okay, so the height is 17. If we measure the height, so from the base, that's 17, and the slant height is 21. If we want to find the volume is 1/3 area of the base times height. We already know the height to be 17. The problem is we don't know the base area. Now the base area is a circle with an area of pi r squared, in which we don't know the r yet. Okay, so how are we going to find the r? If you look at the diagram, the radius r is the base of the triangle with 17 as the height and a hypotenuse of 21. So since this is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagoras Theorem or the Pythagorean Theorem to find the measure of r. So if we have 17 and 21, by Pythagoras Theorem, if we let this to be the r, then we have 17 squared plus r squared is equal to 21 squared. And this will be r squared equals 21 squared minus 17 squared. And r must be the square root of 21 squared minus 17 squared. Okay, so let's find the exact value. The square root of 21 squared minus 17 squared is equal to 12.33. So r, or we can use 3 decimal places for the initial computation, so 12.329. Okay, so we are now ready to find the volume. So let's go back to this step. So 1/3 area of the base is the circle pi r squared, in which the radius is 12.329, and then so pi r squared, so this must be squared, and then times the height of the cone, which is 17. So this is times 17, and then we just have to simplify this. So 1/3, so I'll do the computation first, and then let's see, wait for a while. So this is equal to 2706.03. This is in mm cube, and that's close to someone's answer. So 2706.47. I think the reason behind would be the person didn't use pi in the calculator, but rather used the 3.14. But your answer should be close to 2706.03. Okay, now let's find the surface area. Okay, surface area of a cone, so SA is equal to pi r squared, that's the circular base, plus pi r l. R is known to be 12 point, that's what we solved a while ago, 12.329 12.329 squared plus pi. Again, the radius is still 12.329, and then times the L. L is the slant height, and the slant height is 21. Okay, and then performing this computation in the calculator. So this is equal to 1290.92, and then mm squared. So that is the surface area. So very close to one of your classmates' answer, 1291.06. Again, the discrepancy or the difference in the answer could be on the use of the value of pi or how you rounded off the number. Okay, but more or less, your answer should be close to 1290.92. Okay, so that's how you solve a type 2 question on the volume and surface area of a cone.